guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to download app without credit card info on iPhone iPad. So guys, you can easily fix this problem, so let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, tap on profile icon and tap on your Apple ID. Now tap on country region. Now tap on change country or region. Then you will get all country list your app store. So select your country in your app store. So we are living in Pakistan. Simply select on Pakistan. Now simply select on Pakistan on agree and after type on agree. Don't have any credit card, debit card option and after select the non. Scroll it down and fill billing address with city, postal code and phone number. Wait for it. Just confirm next and go back. After this step, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.